Well, amidst all the concerning news coming in from Australia about players getting injured, backup players being asked to stay back in Australia from the India side in case the situation or the need arises, and then India captain not being available for the first test match, Mohammad Shami not yet fully recovered to go and play the first test match. इस सब concerning news में से we are finally here with a ray of hope with some good news. KL Rahul, who took a blow on his elbow on Friday while playing a simulation game between India's main playing 11 and the India A side. As I said, he took a blow on his elbow on the bowling of Prasidh Krishna, और उसके बाद से he went out of the field and he didn't take part in any of the training session that particular day. Even on Saturday, he didn't bat, and that was obviously concerning because Shubman Gill has fractured his finger reportedly, and he might miss the first test with no Rohit Sharma, with Virat Kohli being out of form. This is slightly concerning for the Indian team. So they need KL Rahul, someone of Rahul's experience, to be in the playing 11, to be in the batting lineup. And with this news coming in, obviously these are all reports as of now, nothing is official. According to the reports, he is better now. On Sunday, he played yet another simulation game between obviously the playing 11 and the India A side, and then he also went on to bat in the nets. He nearly trained for 3 hours, faced a lot of deliveries, and there was no major discomfort coming in from his elbow. Even BCCI, and there are some videos which are shared on social media on KL Rahul बैटिंग आफ्टर रिटर्निंग फ्रॉम दैट ब्लो ऑन हिज एल्बो. आज बैटिंग करते हैं आपको दिखेंगे, आप सोशल मीडिया पे जाएंगे आपको क्लिप्स दिख सकती हैं, बीसीसीआई ने भी शेयर की हैं, एंड देयर यू कैन सी केएल राहुल coming back to his mojo, coming back to his momentum. And as I said, that is very 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 crucial. Rohit Sharma, आपके कैप्टन और आपके मेन बैटर्स, one of the senior batters, is not available as of now. He has made himself unavailable after becoming the father for the second time. उन्होंने अभी तक कंफर्मेशन नहीं दी है पहला टेस्ट खेलेंगे कि नहीं. रिपोर्ट्स की मानी जाए तो इट्स हाईली अनलाइकली दैट ही विल प्ले द फर्स्ट टेस्ट. शुभमन गिल, अनदर मेन स्टे ऑफ द इंडियन बैटिंग लाइनअप, वो भी इंजर्ड हो चुके हैं. उन्होंने अपने फिंगर को फ्रैक्चर किया है वाइल playing a simulation game. He tried to take a catch, obviously he hurt his finger, and now the reports are saying that he is all set to miss the first test match in Perth, and he'll be available from the second test match. मोहम्मद शामी, जिन्होंने रणजी में बहुत अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस दी, वो भी अभी तक फुली फिट नहीं हुए या ऑस्ट्रेलिया नहीं गए हैं, तो वो भी कंसर्निंग है. तो इस सब के बीच केएल राहुल getting better, playing and coming back onto the pitch and facing a lot of deliveries, batting for nearly 3 hours is a really really good sign for the Indian team, for the Indian team management, for all the Indian fans. This is something that they were hoping for. KL Rahul is a very vital cog in the wheel. As I said, he brings in a lot of experience on the table. He knows the Australian pitches inside out, and you need a batter like KL Rahul, especially in the absence of Rohit Sharma, because you already have lost one experienced batter for the first test match. You need all the experience that you have in the squad to go on and start the BJT on a high note. Well, what are your thoughts? Will KL Rahul play, and on what position will he play? कौन से ऑर्डर में ओपनिंग करते देख सकते हैं, आपको नंबर 3 खेलते देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि रोहित ओपनिंग बैटर है, उसके बाद शुभमन गिल 1 डाउन बैटर हैं, दोनों अनअवेलेबल होंगे फर्स्ट टेस्ट के लिए रिपोर्टेडली. अगेन नथिंग ऑफिशियल एज ऑफ नाउ. तो केएल राहुल को क्या ओपन करना चाहिए या नंबर 3 पे खेलना चाहिए? व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स? डू राइट टू अस इन द कमेंट सेक्शन डाउन बिलो.